This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug in the external drive or confirm the network share and ensure it has at least twice the space you expect to restore. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup. Choose Add a Drive and enable File History. Once File History is active, check the last backup date and which folders are included so you restore the right snapshot. This prevents restoring an incomplete or outdated set of files. Once done enabling and identifying the snapshot, open Control Panel, select File History, then restore personal files. Browse the timeline on the left or type a file name to narrow results. Preview files to confirm contents. You can restore individual files or entire folders. Click Restore to return items to their original path, or use Restore to and pick an alternate folder to avoid overwriting. Make sure to compare. To finish, verify restored files open correctly and that permissions are intact. Rebuild the Windows search index if items don't appear instantly. If File History reports no backups or can't find versions, check the File History service, confirm the drive has free space, and re-enter network credentials for a mapped share. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for File History operational errors. As a last resort, browse the File History folder on the drive and manually copy needed files to your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.